Beloved Nigerians, I have come to reinstate my position as the head of state of this useless country. All of you idiots who are jubilating for my death, I know your faces and addresses, and I shall eliminate you in due course. We have increased the fuel price to 500 naira per liter. If you like, I buy. If you like, I don't buy. You're on your own. We have budgeted 7 million naira for the renovation of my personal house in the village. Any idiots who questions how this money is being spent shall personally face execution. The Federal Republic of Nigeria now has 1,050 local governments, and I, as the head of state, am entitled to 221 from every local government. Your former president, Ailu Shego Obasanjo, shall continue his present term. In fact, Sergeant Roger, sir, flag him 50. If you know you cannot cope with the recent development, Cameroon is not far.